my birthday month has arrived, November, so that means I'm celebrating my loc anniversary. And I'm going to be getting my hair professionally styled. I have been slowly cutting away the ends of my hair that are thinning and no longer serve me. I think the last time I got my hair professionally done was when I went to the Beyonce concert back in July. It's been about 4 months since I've had my hair fully retwisted, so let's get into this hair. This is the style that I saw my loctician do on somebody else's head, and this is honestly like what I want. I have confidence that she'll be able to execute it because she's been doing my hair for a while now. She is the only loctician that has been styling my hair since I've gotten my locks, so I'm really excited. I know she's gonna kill it. I'm gonna take you guys along on that journey with me. It's the day before Thanksgiving.
Oh my gosh. Wait, that's like now.
Guys, I love it. Are you kidding me? And just like, can we get into like the side? Yeah, this is good. Now that I'm in the house, I won't be using a bonnet, but I definitely will be using some sort of scarf. I'll tie up the back for extra protection, but until then, your girl is tired and needs to take a nap. Giving you an update on my hair. It still looks great. I mean, it has only been a day that I've had this hairstyle in. Going to sleep was quite easy. I would take my side bang and I would tuck it, and then from there I would get a head wrap. I'm actually able to go to sleep on my back, and then I'm able to go to sleep on my side. I'll be celebrating year 9 and I'm super excited. I think there have been a lot of things that I've done differently with my locks, specifically with me not getting my hair done as often as I used to. My hair, it's just wow. My hair needs to be did. I'm shocked. My hair looks really long. When I first started my loc journey, I would do my hair every 2 weeks. So every time I washed my hair, I would then retwist my hair. Now I wash my hair and I don't retwist my hair as often. Yes, I want to experiment with different hairstyles and whatnot, but also at the same time, I don't want to manipulate my hair too much. And the style that I have in my hair right now, it is a style that required my loctician to heavily manipulate my hair. Going to sleep hasn't been as bad as I thought it was going to be. Going to sleep with the loc bob was actually way more tricky in my opinion than going to sleep with the bun that I have on my hair, mainly because with the bun, you know, I can just sleep on my side or I can sleep on my back and it's fine. But with the loc bob, I just felt like I was putting the bob into my bonnet, and all of the locks that had the knots at the end of it would just scrunch up at the back, making it quite hard for me to sleep with. But that's neither here nor there because I really enjoyed the loc bob hairstyle, and I actually see myself getting that hairstyle again in the future. Something that I'm really excited for, because it is November now, it's quite cold in New York City, so I will be just wearing the sweaters that I like to wear, and they're very cottony material. They do a lot of healing. I have had experience with just lint and sweater material getting stuck in my locks. So by having my hair in this hairstyle, I think it works great. What am I gonna do when I need to put on a hat? I have earmuffs, so I just feel like that's going to work out well for me. So we'll see how long I keep this style in. The goal is to get to 2 weeks, and then on the 2-week mark, I think I'm gonna take the bun out.
I can't do it. I can't do it. I can't do it, guys. Like, I don't even know how do I take this down. These are some heavy duty pins, like, oh my gosh. I have no idea like what is going on, like in the back of my head. Wow. Okay. Interesting. This is pretty cute. I need a pair of scissors, which I really should have probably thought that's what I would have needed to fully take this out. Okay, I'll be back. I will probably have to do this when I get home because I'm at work right now, but I need a pair of scissors for this. Oh my gosh, but this hairstyle is really cute. And this is what my hair is giving. I just put my hair in a half up, half down style. I feel like this is cute for now, and it just really alleviates the tension that I've been feeling by keeping all of my locks in a bun. I got my hair done on Friday, and today's Wednesday, so it's been a few days, and I still think that my hair looks pretty damn good. Like, I have no complaints about it. And if you've made it this far, thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.